Wellness products. Okay, so starting, yung kanina na video, ayan, nawawala yung microphone. Live po tayo, kaya ganyan. So, yung Uten Handle System po, meron po tayong tinatawag na external and internal group. Okay, so the external is more on the skincare, no? Mula sa labas po ng, yung the whole body po, skin natin yan. And then yung ating internal, ito po yung mga oral and sublingual na mga products po. No, it works inside, going out, while yung Luminex works outside, going in. Okay, so may kanya-kanya pong category po yung product natin. Okay, may kanya pong category yung product natin. No? Kung papasin po ninyo yung Reserve, Depend, yung pong AMPM, Enhance, yung pong Finity is to restore or reverse, and then yung Luminex, may apat po siyang category. Ito po yung cleanse, rejuvenate, moisturize, and repair. Now, the technology behind this is what we call the stem cell technology. So, sino po dito yung mga bagong umaten po? Okay, so, alam niyo na po ba about stem cells? Kasi maraming news na lumalabas regarding stem cells. So, baka ma-mislead po kayo. Now, we're giving you an information. This is being taught in schools, no? This is the basic stem cell information or knowledge. So, panoorin po ninyo yung video.
Down here. You know how people say you grow up to be almost anything you want? Well, like you, I have lots of potential. I'm a stem cell. And if you don't mind my saying, I'm pretty special. All cells have the amazing ability to reproduce and divide. But in the world of the trillions and trillions of cells that make up all of you, I've got superpowers. Regular cells, called multipotent cells, reproduce, but only in what they were originally. Heart cells making hearts, lung cells making lungs, like that. But I'm a pluripotent cell, and I have a few tricks up my sleeve. If I had sleeves, that is. One of my superpowers is that I can reproduce without becoming a specific cell, and without losing the genetic information as fast as other cells do when they divide and reproduce. Also, I can become a cell of almost any body part, so I can be used to make new heart or skin cells, or whatever else needs to be repaired. But you've got to know where to find me. I can be found in places like your bone marrow or inside an umbilical cord. Even today, bone marrow and stem cell therapies are routinely used to treat diseases. Another place getting a lot of attention is inside the blastocyst, a group of about 150 cells that could, but haven't yet, become an embryo. So I'm a popular guy right now. Scientists study me intensely, trying to understand how I remain unspecialized. Scientists know that with the right signals, I could become many different types of cells to help repair and replace diseased or injured tissues and organs. Already, scientists have lots of jobs lined up for me, like treatments for diabetes, Parkinson's, heart disease, diseases in your bone, vision or hearing loss, even the big C, cancer. Even I'm not sure of all my superpowers. There's lots yet to discover, and will be for years to come. Maybe one of those discoveries will be made by you.
Okay, so formerly, yung mga pinakita doon na mga parts, no, yung brain, yung heart, saka yung lungs, hindi po siya nagre-regenerate. It doesn't have the capability of regenerating their cells. Pero with the use of stem cell, pwede po nang mag-regenerate or ma-rejuvenate yung mga organs po na yun. May mga cases po tayo, may partner tayo dito, pero wala ata si Arlene, no? Si Arlene, meron siyang PTB before. So when we say PTB, yung pulmonary tuberculosis, nagkakaroon po ng marka yung baga. Ang tawag nila doon may peklat daw, di ba? Pero yung treatment na ginawa sa kanya is only 1 month. So yung 1 month na yun, nawala yung PTB niya. At the same time, wala pong scar yung lungs. So ganun siya ka-effective. Now may case kami ng isang pastor dito sa may Taguig, no? Isang box na yung nabigay namin. No? May PTB siya, may prostate cancer, at marami pa pong iba. Pero 1 box lang yun. Diba? I gave him normal dosage for that case. It's 9 sachet a day. So, 3 days niya lang tinigto, nag-improve na siya. Yun yung ka-powerful yung product. No? So, pero continuous pa rin po yung kanyang treatment right now. No? Pero mapapansin mo, yung nanlalambot siya, lahat-lahat nanihina siya, nawala yun. Lumaka siya, then nakakahinga na siya na normal. Okay, so, it's not a higher dose, no? Wala tayong overdosing dito sa ating company. Now, ang pinag-aralan po natin is about stem cell. kung capable po yung ating mga products to heal yung mga wounds po na yun, na hindi siya nagre-regenerate, no? Mapapansin niyo yung ating susunod na information is about saan po natin kinukuha yung mismong yung tinatawag ng stem cell technology na yun. Kasi wala pong live stem cell yung product po natin, no? Meron po tayo growth factors. Kapag may kinausap po yung doctor, stem cell technology pinag-usapan, ang pinag-uusapan niya na later on, growth factors. So para maintindihan niyo po yung growth factors, ito po siya.
This is a topic that literally affects everyone. But what if there was a revolutionary solution? The answer? Stem cells.
Stem cells are basically our factor of use. This is what maintains our body's reparative, regenerative abilities.